Yo guys, we're doing a hard body vlog and we are at the alignment shop with the D21. Yes sir. We just got the D21 back from the alignment shop and it is driving so much better. Those alignment shims really helped out on this side of the truck. It feels a lot more planted. There's less vibration too in the truck. I think it was because the upper control arm was directly. It was. God dang, I can't even say it. I think it's because the lower control arm was bolted directly to the body, so it was causing the vibrations. But now with those shims in, I swear I feel less vibrations, or I might just be tripping, but it feels a lot better to me. And my steering wheel is going right back to center, so took the alignment shop a little bit. Oh, there's a Type R. So we're on our way right now to Napa. That's right, we're back in action. And I need to get an air filter for the D21, so we're gonna get that. Man, look at that Frontier right there. Yes sir, two-door. And the Tacoma, look at that. All right guys, just left Napa and check it out, bro. Look what they hooked me up with this time. Yes sir, that's clean. That's a clean hat. Yeah boy. Check it out, Napa Performer filters. Let's go. D21 gets nothing but Napa parts from now on. Today guys, so today what we're gonna do is we're gonna raise up the hard body on the passenger side just a little bit, because if you see, let me show you guys this. Okay, so this side of the truck, hold on, where is it at? Let me get my hand in there. The bump stop, where the freak is the bump stop? I can't see. Oh, right under this bolt. Oh yeah, right there. Okay, see how the bump stop is kind of right above the subframe right there? It's like just a little bit. And then if you go on this side, the bump stop is completely like sitting on the frame. So I want to raise it up on this side just a bit to where I'm not riding on the bump stop. I'm just slightly above it. So that's what we're gonna do. So basically for this, all you're doing is you're jacking up the car from the front on the cross member, and then you're gonna go over here, and under your door there is an area right here where there's two 19mm bolts, and this basically adjusts your height of your truck. So this is if you want to raise up the front or lower the front, you just loosen this bolt up or you tighten it up more. So in my case, I'm going to tighten it. So I'm going to go up just a little bit, like so slightly, like where it may be like 2 or 3 turns. 19. Okay, that's off. Then we're going to go up like about 2 or 3 full turns. We're almost there. We're almost there. I just checked and we're really close. All right, guys, so we just got done adjusting our ride height. And you know what? I can't get the passenger side to go up. So I think there's some frame damage done to my truck. So that's unfortunate. But now we're going to change our air filter, which is like the easiest repair you can do on the truck. Oh yeah. Yeah, if there's frame damage done, that's gonna suck. It sucks big time because it's like you can't fix frame damage to an extent. All right, whatever. We got these tins off. We just gotta get these clips off. Just wheel this up. Booyah. Oh yeah. Look how bad our filter looks. This thing is gone. See that? It's done. Barely any padding left on it. Let's check out this Napa one. Let's see. Oh yeah. Beautiful, beautiful. Bro, I don't know which side goes on which. I wasn't paying attention. Oh. Has an indentation in it that pretty much tells you how it goes. Just like that. And there we go. Sucking in beautiful, fresh air. This filter is lasting me years though. This is a Napa performance filter. I think I've had this thing for like 4 years. So change your filters. You can feel it when your engine needs a new filter. It just doesn't feel as smooth when you're accelerating. You feel that lack of airflow. Come on, clip. God, it's so old school. It's crazy they still sell parts for this thing. All right. Okay, we got that changed, and that's it for today, guys. Got nothing else. Hey, sorry guys, my phone died in the middle of doing the air filter, but I got it on, and we're gonna test the truck out a little bit later when I go to work. We're gonna see how the suspension height is. Seems like this side is just still a little bit lower. So I don't know what the hell is going on with this side of my suspension, or is it just the frame that's damaged? I don't know, but this side's like stiff and really high. This side's like bouncy and low. So having a tough time figuring that out, but it feels like it drives a little bit better. So maybe the suspension just has to break in and then everything could get sorted out, but we'll see. Only time will tell. All right, guys. I forgot to mention that I recently did the lower control arm bushings, and let me tell you, it was a job. So basically what you do is you take off the torsion bar, you disconnect it from the lower control arm, and then you take off your shock, you take off your anti-sway bar, and that gives you access to the bushing. And then once you do that, I used the drill. I didn't use fire like everybody else uses torches, fire. I used a hole saw, and I was able to get the bushing out that way. But putting the bushing in, I had to freeze the lower control arm bushing in the freezer, and that allowed it to get in, and then you could just beat it in with a mallet, or you could just push in with your hands if you have the strength. I used the mallet, and it helped get it in. What you want to do is you want to get both bushings in and then put the sleeve in after. And you can get the sleeve in with a mallet too. So that's what I did, and it worked out. I didn't get to film it because it was so hot outside. It was like 1:15 or something. Every time I try to film, my phone overheats, so I didn't get a chance to film. This is the hole saw right here. I used this to get the bushing out, and I have a little bit of footage of that. So I'll show you the footage of me drilling out the lower control arm bushing. What's up, guys? So we're working on the D21 here, and we are doing the lower control arm bushings. And I didn't have time to make a full breakdown video, but I am gonna give you tips on how to do this. So the first thing you want to do is obviously remove your shocks and your sway bar links. Remove that entirely so it gives you access to this. Then you're gonna want to remove your ring from your torsion bar in the back. There's a snap ring in the back. I will get back there and show you where that's at in a second. But you want to remove that snap ring, and then you want to mark